Logging into WhatsApp on another phone is straightforward as a process, but there are some important considerations to keep in mind. First, you must have access to the phone number associated with your WhatsApp account, as the verification process relies on it. All right? So, to begin, install WhatsApp on the new iPhone or the new phone from the App Store. Open the app once it's installed. Open the app once it's installed and enter your phone number. WhatsApp is going to send a verification code via SMS to that number. So once you receive the code, enter it in the app to verify your phone number. After verifying your number, WhatsApp is going to restore your chat history from the cloud if you previously backed up your data on Google Drive. For Android users, or iCloud for iPhone users. This allows you to access your previous conversations on the new phone. So if you don't have a backup, your messages won't be transferred. So however, you can still use WhatsApp on the new phone to send and receive messages once the setup is complete. So keep in mind that logging into WhatsApp on another phone will log you out of the previous device. WhatsApp does not support using one account on multiple phones simultaneously. So, you'll only be active on one device at a time.